Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Paybis customer support team. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on paybis.com. Afterwards, you need to sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you sign in into your account, you are going to see this type of Paybis icon in the bottom right hand corner. So this is going to be the contact us chatbot. So over here you just have to click on it, and then the Paybis support is going to basically show you. So among the given options, you can select the option of speak to a live agent. After selecting this option, it is going to take some time, and it will going to basically ask your name. So you need to simply provide your name over here, then simply hit next. Then you just have to select your country and then simply hit next. After doing so, you just have to basically complete 3 further steps, and it is going to connect you to an agent. Now with that agent, you can basically talk about any of the issues that you are facing, and this way you will be able to easily contact with the Paybis customer support team. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.